Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning the phone's hotspot on and setting a simple SSID and WPA2 password so the Firestick can find it. Once done, go to your Fire TV's settings and open Network to scan for Wi-Fi. Make sure the phone has battery and tethering enabled by your carrier. Otherwise, the Firestick won't see the network. Now select the hotspot SSID from the list and enter the password. This first connection attempt gets the devices talking. Once you've selected the hotspot, you may need to choose the best band. 4 GHz for better range, 5 GHz for lower interference and higher throughput. If the Fire TV fails to stay connected, disable MAC randomization in settings so the hotspot recognizes it, and assign a static IP in Fire TV's advanced network options when IP conflicts occur. Also make sure the phone's hotspot allows multiple devices. Otherwise, the Firestick will. You finish by testing a streaming app at moderate quality to confirm stability. If playback is smooth, raise quality. Make sure the hotspot is password protected and the phone remains plugged in to avoid power-saving interruptions. If something goes wrong, reboot the Fire TV and your phone first. If that fails, switch the hotspot band, turn off AP isolation in the phone's advanced hotspot settings, or temporarily disable MAC randomization. These steps fix most tethering connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.